Next, let us learn how to represent sets. There are two forms by which we can represent sets: roster form and set builder form. Let's learn about roster form first. In roster form, all the elements of a set are listed, the elements are being separated by commas, and are enclosed within curly braces or brackets. For understanding this, consider the example. Set of first four odd numbers. This can be written in roster form as set of 1, 3, 5, 7, where 1, 3, 5, 7 represents the elements of the set of first four odd numbers. You can see that the elements are written inside curly brackets and are separated by commas. Another example is set of all vowels in the English alphabet. This can be written as set of A, E, I, O, U. Here also, you can see that the elements are written inside curly brackets and are separated by commas. This is how we represent a set in roster form. Next form is set builder form. Remember, all the elements of a set possess a single common property, which is not possessed by any element outside the set. In set builder form, we will write this property of the set inside curly brackets. Here, consider the same example, set of all vowels in English alphabet. This can be written in set builder form as set of X, such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. Here, you can see that we wrote the unique property of the set inside curly brackets instead of writing the elements directly. Now, consider another example, set of first four odd numbers. This can be written in set builder form as set of X, such that X is first four odd numbers. Here also, we wrote the property of the set instead of writing the elements directly. Note that the colon used here to write the set is a shortcut for such that. We must read it as such that. For instance, the first example should be said like set of X, such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Colon represents such that. These are the two forms to represent sets. In the roster form, we can write the elements directly inside curly brackets. Whereas in set builder form, the property which is common only to all the elements of the set is written inside curly brackets.